Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today in this video I am going to show you this beautiful folded sleeves in a very easiest and quicker way. So let's quickly get started. So first of all we need to take two strips. The length of my strip is 11.5 inches and the width is 2.5 inches around. Now fold it from the middle like this, and here we need to mark around 1 inches wider the gap. So I'm putting my ruler here, which is 1 inches wider, and now I'm tracing the line of 1 inch. Now find the middle point of this and make a triangle in this way. Now we need to stitch from here till here. So first let's do that. You can make these type of folded sleeves in your kurtis, short crop tops, or any kids kurtas. So these will give a really very cool and funky look to your outfit. So do try them. After stitching, let's cut the extra fabrics from the sides and turn this strip towards the right side of your fabric, and it will look something like this. Now iron it, and my two strips are ready now. This is the sleeves. You can see the measurements here. Now from the wrong side you need to attach this strip in the center of your sleeves. So let's sew it first. Give a stitch 2 times. Now take another contrast color strip which is 11.5 inches longer and 5.5 inches wider. Fold it from the center and make these two strips ready. Now from the wrong side of your sleeves we need to attach this strip. So leaving around half inches, just give one more stitch in a straight way from the open side of your strip. Alright, now turn it towards the right side. Make sure not to turn this white strip fully. Just leave around 1/4 inch gap and then turn it and place it towards the right side in this way, so that it will give a folded kind of look to your sleeves. And now take this strip towards the right side in this way, and you need to attach one decorative button to place it here. And now attach this strip by giving stitches in the sides. So first you need to iron it to set it properly, and then start sewing. Now put any decorative button of your choice and your folded sleeves are ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.